Hello everyone, a new SME IPO is going to hit the market. Let's learn some details. Name of the company is Drone Destination Ltd. Incorporated in 2019, Drone Destination Ltd is India's leading drone as a service and training company. The entity is a DGCA-authorized remote pilot training organization, RPTO, offering certified training programs at multiple locations pan-India. The company became the first drone training partner of the National Skill Development Corporation, NSDC, in October 2022. Drone Destination Ltd offers a variety of services including Drone as a Service, DAAS, training, education and recreation, rent-a-drone agriculture services. Drone Destination has key partnerships with IGRUA, IFFCO, IIT Patna, NSDC, Neo-Geo, and Matrix-Geo. The drones offered by the company are marketed under the names Star Guru, Star Edge, Sky Star, AgriStar, AgriMapper, Star Eye, and Laser Star. All these have their distinct features and entail different requirements of the customers. The issue will open on 7th July and will be available for subscription till 13th July. Allotment will be on 18th July. Listing date is 21st July on NSE SME. Minimum investment is 1,24,000 rupees. The total IPO size is 44.20 crore, face value is 10 rupee per share, and its IPO price is 60 to 65 rupees per share. One lot is equal to 2,000 shares. The company proposes to utilize the funds towards funding the following objects: to meet the expenses for the purchase of new drones, to meet the expenses for the purchase of the vehicle, to meet the capital expenditure requirement, to meet the working capital requirements, to meet the general corporate purposes, to meet out the issue expenses. Return on equity is 13.90%. Return on capital employed is 18.65%. Debt to equity ratio is 0.06. Earning per share is 25.8. Currently the grey market premium is 45 rupees.
Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.